What if I told you there's a creature on Earth that never dies, a living organism that can literally reverse aging and start life all over again? This tiny creature, called Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, can cheat death by turning its old cells back into young ones, again and again. When it's injured or dying, it transforms its cells, like pressing a biological reset button. Scientists say it's the only known animal capable of this full rejuvenation process. So, if a jellyfish can live forever, could humans ever learn its secret and defeat aging too? Or should immortality stay beneath the waves? If you want to see more mind-blowing facts like this, hit that subscribe button before time runs out.